Hello everyone, FunshineX here, and this is episode 23 of our Let's Play Minecraft with Mods we call Computerizing Minecraft. You remember last time we just built this little display monitor at the back of the factory to tell us what time it is. And no, that's not all we're going to do with this thing. I want to display a bunch of other useful stats, but that's what we're using it for now, just to give us a big giant clock. You'll notice to get the clock easily readable, I moved the glass pipes down a little bit, so instead of going up and across, now it's easier to see them. And computer graphic monitors do have a little bit of flickering when you move, just how they're rendered, but we'll deal with it. The other thing you guys recommended in the comments was to use covers to hide the wire, and I'm going to do that. I already switched to using jacketed wire on this one, so I'm going to go ahead and grab some covers, and we'll be able to hide this nicely. Let's see if we can put one right there, one right there. I'm going to leave that little piece coming down, so we'll need a cover there, there, and if we can get one over here as well, and then two more up here. We might have to pillar to get there. Whoa. There we go. Should be high enough. There we go. That's good. Nice and hidden. Other than that little pillar, you can't really tell there's a wire there. So, okay, what we do need to do is switch our program here for our lights to go out the left side now instead of the back. So let's look at this. What did we make this program? Startup program? No. Oh, we did. We just did a Lua program, didn't we? Okay. So we haven't even written anything for that yet. That will be the goal. The goal today is to make it so when it turns past 6 o'clock p.m. Oh, we're going to have to clear the screen, it appears, because it's still got the M there from the AM. Every time it hits 6 p.m., turn the lights on. Every time it hits 6 a.m., turn the lights off. We'll do that using our clock over there and wireless here. And I know I could just get the time here and turn the on and off here, but I'd like that to be our clock and this to just be our light controller rather than combine the use of the computers. So that's what we're going to do. The first things we're going to need to do is communicate between the two using wireless modems. So let's go build those. And we'll do that down here in the crafting room. And the recipe for a modem is pretty easy. It's a bunch of stone around a torch. So we're going to need 2 of them, so that'll be 14 stone and 2 torches. And oh, did I not get all the stone? I thought I was sent for 14. Oh, it's going to be 16 because that's 8. My bad. Counted wrong. There they are. Alright, we got our 2 modems. Back to the factory. Oops. Oh, no, that worked. Okay. Let's go put one on here. Oops. And are we able to place this? Probably not. Let's put a block right here to jump on top of. There we go. That one is now on the network. Or it will be. Oh, come on, Sword of the Zephyr. Come on. There we go. And that one, for consistency, we'll put it on the top as well. Okay. Got some extra wires and crap I'm going to put in here. So if I forget where they are, you guys know that's where they are. Extra glass. And extra monitors, might as well shove them in there as well. Okay, everything else is good. Okay, so let's start first with the sending program. What I'd like to do is get this one's ID. So all we have to do is type ID. This one's number 4. So let's go ahead and go over here. and terminate the clock. And let's edit our startup program. And all we have to do here is just do shell.run clock. And it should run clock for us when it reboots. Perfect. Okay. That way, if this chunk unloads, or if I exit the map, it's still going to be running clock when we start back up. Now the clock program, we get a little issue here. We do monitor.write, sleep 1. After the sleep, well, let's just do it at the beginning. Clear the monitor. Perfect. Okay, now also what we're going to need to do is go ahead and let's just do a separate function called send time. And we'll put that right up here. Function send time, no parameters. And every time we send time, we're just going to do an RS. Or that's a redstone. We want to do that. We want to connect to the rednet. I'm going to get that API up real quick on the online wiki. Be right back. Okay, so the wiki says to send a message, we type rednet.send. The next parameter is the ID, which we determined was 4, and the message. Really, all we have to do is tell it the current time. Well, actually, we don't want to do that. We only just want to send a message if it's 6 o'clock or AM or PM. So let's say I'm going to do something a little bit different. Let's say time is equal to, oh, we already have a time. Let's just say t is equal to get time. And now we can just shorten this to say t. Can we do that as t? And actually this is a string, so I don't want to do that, because get time, yeah. Oops. I know the rain is horrible, sorry. So that formats it for us. We don't really want to do that, so let's just send the time and we'll calculate it again using the same method up here, os.time. Yeah, reuse of code. Oh well. Okay, so we're going to calculate the time, and we need to say is if time is greater than some number. We're going to have to figure out what that is then. Let's see, greater than some number, and time is less than some number. Then this means it's daytime, because it's going to be greater than 6 in the morning, less than 6 at night. Else, then it must be day, so that's fine. We'll say rednet, let's send and I realized we could probably just send day or night when it changes. So let's do that. Let's say up here we can have on our locals we can have a current time. Let's make it day light. We'll just say day. And that's going to be equal to yes or no. So we know it's day, and inside here, let's check if we already know it's day. So if day is equal to no, and now it is day, then we can send a message that it's now day and say day is equal to yes. Else, we now know it's night. And these, remember, are comments, the double dash, so anything after the double dash is ignored. We know it's night, and now let's check. If our currently stored is yes, that'll work. Rednet.send for, night. So now only 2 messages will be broadcast every day, and only when it changes, basically. And we need to set day equal to no. And we need to end this statement here. Okay, now we need to fill in those question marks. os.getTime. What's the method? I already forgot it. It was os just time. Okay. .79. So we can say maybe that's after midnight. Okay, I'm going to pause it till the sun comes up. When it's like exactly 6 o'clock in the morning, and we'll see what this returns. This will be the value that we want to check for. Okay, the sun is rising. Let's check what time it is. Okay, so it is. It's just the hour by minutes. Okay, so it'll be really easy. Oops, where am I going? This is the program we want to edit. Oh, there's a creeper up there. My lights didn't come on. Come on, creeper. Okay, no more creepers. Oh, come on. I'm trying to click on the computer. There we go. So exit the Lua prompt here, back into our clock. And we can now say if time is greater than 6, greater than equal to 6, and time is less than or equal to 18, which would be 6 o'clock at night, then it's day. If we know it's day, but the last time we checked it was night, then we'll send a day message. If it's night and we thought it was day last time, then we'll send a night message. Okay, I think that's going to work. And Control R to reboot. Oh, we're missing a then. Did you guys catch it? And this will be on line 20. I know I catch them, or miss them, quite frequently. And I missed one here as well. Okay, no errors, it's broadcasting. Oh, we got zombies in there. Okay, it's 8:19 a.m., so we shouldn't be getting any messages right now until... Come here. Yeah, get out of the factory. Anything up here? Good. I don't want to come up here and a creeper blow up my whole area. Okay. So, this program over here, we need a startup as well to run a shell program, and this is going to be edit lights. Edit startup, shell.run, lights. Okay, what do we want to do this one? This one's going to do while true, so it's going to run forever. And we're going to go ahead and rednet. Oh, I know a problem we did on the clock. Hold on, I'll be right back, program. Terminate this guy. Send the time. Did you guys catch that one? Yep. We need to open the modem. And when we're not using it, we might as well close it so it doesn't stay open all the time. So it'll only be open when we're sending a message. Okay. This one's need to be open the entire time. Needs to be. And it's on the top as well. Now we're just going to receive. And let's go for... Let's do it for 10 seconds at a time. And let's go with 5. I like 5. And what does that return? That gives us a sender and a message at a distance. And then all we have to do is say let's see, will that return null? No, leave args empty to wait for message forever. Sounds good. Thank you, Wiki. Okay, so now, as soon as we get a message, if the message is equal to day, we should put some security. We don't want someone hacking our computer and turning the lights off, right? So let's say this is coming from 5. Okay. So we will only accept messages from computer 5 to tell us to turn the lights on or off. So if... let's do this. Sender equals 5. Then check for the message. If someone else sent us a message, because we're going to have a lot of other computers in this room, right? We'll broadcast right back to them. Sorry. No hacking. No one's going to hack our factory. Okay, so what do happen if it's day? Then we need to say rs dot set output, and it's now on our left. And true. No, false. And if it's nighttime, true. Okay, it should have turned the modem on. The modem is now on. It's daytime. What time is it? 3 o'clock p.m. As soon as it gets to about 5:30 or so, I'll unpause the video. Okay, I'm back because I realized we had another problem here. Is we never initialize what day is equal to, because day right now is null. And we check if day equals no or day equals yes. So right now, when the program starts up, let's just say day, and we can come down here. if time is greater than or equal to 6, or oops, and it's equal to 18. Okay, and then we need to call that at the beginning of the program. Really? Oh, I know what I did wrong. Hurry before 6 o'clock. Time is up. Okay. That'll work. Not the cleanest. Did we miss 6 o'clock? Dang it! Just slow. Barely. Okay, since we missed it, let's go ahead and put and because we're checking for the change of day to night, this will actually even work if we sleep. So this will be fine. Let's end the program here. And I want to output a few things. Right here. Let's just print to the terminal. Changing. Oops. Now it is day. Okay. So when reboot, it should initialize day and think it's, or initialize the day variable, and now it knows it's night, and we're going to get blown up by a creeper if we're not careful. So when I go and sleep, as soon as I wake up, it's going to run that program again, and it's going to realize it's day now, and should print out a message to the screen. Let's go check. Lights are off. That's a good sign. Now it is day. Sweet. So again, we have to wait till 6 p.m. But just to check, I'm going to go ahead and set this to let's say time is less than 8 o'clock, so our day is only lasting the last 2 hours. Right now it thinks it's day. As soon as we hit 8 o'clock, it should turn to night. I'll be right back. Okay, cross your fingers if this works. As soon as we hit just after 8 o'clock, the lights should turn on. It worked! Oh, I surprise myself sometimes. And it should have printed out as night. Sweet. Alright, so we can close this off. Change this back to 18. And I think that program is done. Well, this part of it anyway. Control R, and that's going to go. Okay, so now our lights should be fully automated. They're kind of in a weird state right now because the computer thinks it's night, but that's fine. It should actually think that it's night right now. Oh, it initialized it. When I reboot it, would say I think it's day. Yeah. Okay. So, lights are automated. These ones look like they broke, so let's fix that, and then we'll go ahead and end this episode. I think that happened when I did this mess. There we go. This needs to go. Oh, crap. Put everything away. We need some of that and some of that. Oh, I could probably just get away with. There we go. Okay, and now I can either add a wireless transmitter or just run wires everywhere to turn lights on in the hallway, etc. I could need some lights down this way as well. Something up there. Lights in this room. It's kind of got some torches, but lights will be nice. And I got 46 of them, so I may as well use them. So I'm going to end the episode. In between, I'm probably going to put a roof on this guy so we can kind of finish the layout of our factory and add a few more lights. And next time, we will put some more things on that monitor so it's not just a clock. And I will see you guys then. This has been FunshineX. Bye, guys. See you later.